microphone swings. Only real rhythm survives when the whole crowd sings. Close your eyes slowly when the spotlight burns. Every beat got the lesson and the table still turns. One loop in the sampler, one breaking the drum. Then the bass hits harder and the true ones come. No need for a story about another man's fall. We came here tonight just to move you all. From the stage to the sidewalk, let the groove stay black. And when the hook comes again, bring the whole thing back. Who brought the funk? We brought the funk. Who brought the smoke? We brought the smoke. Who shakes the room? We shake the room. Then let that heavy bass boom. We're the true ones with the funky deep sound. We're the true ones. When the smoke comes around, we're the true ones. Make the whole room bounce. You know we're the true ones. When the heavy drums pound. Funky, 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 funky. Let the bass line roll. Funky, 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 funky. Let the whole room know. Ladies and gentlemen, that was the true sound. Dust on the record, smoke in the room, funk in the blood. Yo, roll the windows down. Let the night breathe. Dust on the drums, green in the air. Light another. Strike one, spark. Strike one, spark. Strike. Light another. Yeah. Strike one spark, let the whole room glow. Slow burning rhythm with the heavyweight flow. Cut through the paper, twist it up tight. Little green rocket taking off tonight. Smoke makes a circle, floats over the beat. Bass gets deep while I sink in the seat. Mind starts drifting, but the rhyme stays sharp. Every word leaves a trail like a flame in the dark. They say I'm too strong, better take it in slow. One little pull and your eyelids get low. Don't blame the rhythm when your head starts to spin. You open the door, now the haze walks in. Feel that green wave ride.